Welcome back to our Dynamic Builder series. This time, we'll explore attributes and how to use them in the Dynamic Builder. We'll assign animations to models so that when a user clicks on one, the assigned animation plays. First, let's add attributes to these models. Select the models and press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to open the Attribute Manager window. Click the Add Attribute button and name the attribute Renewable. Now assign an attribute type, which will be a video sequence, and attach that sequence. Next, go to the Dynamic Builder and click on the Scene Node Query source. This will select objects with the same attribute. Click on the icon and select the attribute name. Drag the node triggered event and attach it to the Scene Node Query. This setup will ensure that any object with this attribute will trigger a response. Right-click to bring up a list of nodes, then search for Get Node Attribute Sequence. Attach these nodes together and attach the scene node. Note the difference between getting a scene node attached directly from the query and from the node triggered event attaching from the query will select all nodes, while attaching from the node triggered event will only select the one you clicked on. Select the attribute name to play the sequence connected to the object you clicked. Additionally, we will use the Get Animation Sequence Info response to find more details about the sequence. While this node is not required, it can be useful. Finally, use the Play Animation Sequence response to play the exact animation. Now, you can test your progress and see the animations play when you click on the models.